So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you iOS 14.5 update after iPhone camera not working and also iPhone camera black screen issue. So guys, lot of iPhone and iPad user reported to iPhone camera black screen issue so after iOS 14.5 updates. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone camera not working after iOS 14.5 updates. So guys, I give you some solutions for that, so easy to solve your problem. So guys, first solution is check your screen time settings. So guys, first of all open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on the screen times. In screen time, scroll down and select the content and privacy restrictions. In content and privacy restriction you can see also allow app options. So guys, please tap on that. Then you can see also fourth option is camera options. If you turn off camera options, so guys, please turn on camera options in your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. So guys, now I will show you second solution. The second solution is most important. The solution is turn on and off iPhone and iPad. So guys, please follow the steps and easy to fix your problem. So guys, first of all open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also last option is shutdown option. So guys, please tap on that. Then you can see also slide to power off after 20 to 30 second wait. Then again turn on your iPhone and iPad. One solution is most important. The solution is remove case in your iPhone and iPad and after camera lens clean using soft cloths. So guys, first of all remove the case in your iPhone and as well as iPad after soft cloth to using clean your camera lens in iPhone as well as iPad, and easy to fix your problems. So guys, now I will show you solution fourth. The fourth solution is most important. The solution is enable flashlight after open camera. So guys, please follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. So guys, first of all find out the camera and open that. Then you can see also iPhone black screen camera options show in iPhone as well as iPad, but still sometimes that problem not showing after iOS 14.5. So guys, first of all open the control center, then enable to flashlight, then again come back, then again open the camera. In camera after 7 to 10 second wait, then again automatically show camera in iPhone as well as iPad, and easy to fix your problems. So guys, iOS 14.5 update after iPhone camera black screen issue. So guys, sometimes setting issue. So guys, fifth solution is most important. The solution is reset all settings in iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, please follow the step and first of all open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on the general. In general, scroll down and second last option is reset option. So guys, please select that. Then you can see also first option is reset all settings. So guys, please tap on that. Then again enter your passcode. Then again tap on the reset all settings in iPhone and iPad. Now I will show you solution 6 is factory reset your iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, please follow the step. So guys, first of all open the settings app in your iPhone. Then you can see also scroll down and tap on the general. In general, scroll down and second last option is reset option. So guys, please tap on that. Then you can see also second option is erase all content and settings. So guys, please tap on that. Then you can see also finish uploading, then erase and erase now, and easy to fix your problems. So guys, I give you last solution for that issue. So guys, the solution is force restart your iPhone and iPad if you using iPhone 12 series, 11 series and X series. So guys, first of all open the volume up button, then tap on the volume down button and also press the on off button in same times. When Apple logo appear, then release the both button, and easy to fix your problems. So guys, if you using iPhone 8, 8 Plus, so guys, first of all tap on the volume down button and also press the on off button. Then when Apple logo appear, then release the both button in iPhone as well as iPad, and easy to fix your problems. If you using iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, so guys, first of all press the home button, then also press the on off button in same times. When Apple logo appear, then release the both button in iPhone as well as iPad, and easy to fix your problems. So guys, I hope these solutions work for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram account. Thank you so much.